Hey guys! Today I thought I would do a skincare Sunday with you because you always tell me how much you love these and I really enjoy doing them too. So today I thought I'd share a fairly new device which I feel has really changed my skin, and I feel like it just looks more plump and there's less fine lines and it's just a bit smoother and it's even my skin tone a bit more. It's just chef's kiss. Today I wanted to talk to you about the FOREO UFO 2. Look at this device. It's the new version of the really popular UFO. They've added a few things to this which I think makes it so good. I cannot tell you how good my skin feels after I've used this. You know those traditional sheet masks which you get and it basically has the holes for the eyes and the mouth? It's kind of like that, but it's a less messy version. I'm not sure about you, but my face is so small, so when I put a sheet mask on, the eyes come out here and the mouth is just like down here, and I basically have to move it around to fit where my eyes and mouth are, and it just gets really messy and it just goes everywhere. And that's the one thing I don't really like about sheet masks, and I know some of my friends and family don't really like that either. Not only does this make it so much cleaner and easy to use, there are so many things that this device does which helps aid the absorption of those sheet masks. It's basically got light therapy, thermotherapy, cryotherapy, and then it's got these sonic pulsations. I'll go through all of those and explain what they do. It's got 8 colors or wavelengths which basically help your skin in different ways. The red one will help like produce collagen. The blue one minimizes imperfections and helps to control acne prone skin. There's a green one which evens out your skin tone. There's a white one which tightens all your pores. But there are 8 in total and they each perform a different thing depending on the mask you use. And then the second thing is thermotherapy. So this basically heats up to about 45 degrees, and what that does is it basically loosens the sebum on your skin, so it kind of helps penetrate the product even better into your skin. So if you're trying to moisturize your skin or you're trying to get the most out of your products, something like this will help those products go deeper into your skin and enable you to get the most out of your product. It also makes you so much more radiant with the heat. I freaking love the heat portion of this massage. It's so relaxing for me. The third thing that this does is cryotherapy. So it basically goes down to like 5 degrees and it shrinks your pores, reduces the puffiness, lifts and firms your skin. And the fourth thing is the T-sonic power. So these sonic waves are basically sound waves that reach really deep into your skin. This has 10,000 sonic pulsations a minute. That is so good because it helps to massage your face and relax it, and it also helps to exfoliate your skin without pulling on it. So overall, this kind of works to make you look more youthful, and who doesn't want that? I cannot tell you how much of a difference I've seen in my skin since I've started using this. It's just like so much more glowy, firmer, lifted. I noticed such a change at the beginning of lockdown. Everything was just so uncertain. I started breaking out because I was so stressed about COVID. And then on top of that, wearing masks, I had so many spots and they were kind of painful as well. They were either like really small and pussy, I know it sounds really gross, or they were like really big and like lumpy, and I just felt like I couldn't touch it, I couldn't do anything, I couldn't even do my normal skincare routine. That was annoying too because that's something that I really enjoy doing for me time. So when I got this, I felt like it helped clear all my skin out. My skin was so dull as well, so it increases radiance. Like, I'm not even wearing any highlighter at the moment. This is just my skin. I've just really enjoyed using this. It's been like my thing because I really enjoy going to spas and having facials done, and I couldn't do that. I don't want to say it was the next best thing because I really do enjoy using this. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start doing my skincare routine, and then when it comes to this portion, I'm going to show you how I use this. You guys already know I'm going to take my makeup off with Bioderma and some cotton rounds. I actually have a face halo which I used a few times, but I feel like I can't seem to wash it. I don't know, the makeup never comes off properly, so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I thought you just clean it in the washing machine. I'll have a look, but I'm gonna go in with a cotton round. I like to soak the eyes first, just so that I'm not going back and forth and rubbing too much. Next, I'm going to take the Kiehl's cleansing oil, and I love this. It's such a relaxing oil. I use this as a second cleanse. It helps to break down anything that I might have missed on my face. So once I just apply that all over my face, I will go in with the Luna 3, and this basically just helps to clean your skin much better. This also has pulsations, and the silicone brushes help really massage your face. So it works so much better than just using your hand. You can use this with the FOREO app too, but sometimes I just press the button on the back and it pulsates. I've just washed that off my face and I've got that clean feeling, but it's not that like tight clean feeling that you get, you know, when you get that really tight, almost itchy feeling sometimes Not with this. This is like a really hydrating kind of clean. Next, I'm going to go in with the Pixi Glow Tonic. I'm just going to quickly tone the skin before I start my massage. I'm going to pop this onto a cotton round and just wipe this all over. I love how this basically helps to gently exfoliate before I massage. For the massage, I'm going to use the Emma Hardy Moringa Balm. You all know how much I love this stuff by now. My God, this stuff smells so good. So on to my favorite part, which is the UFO 2. So FOREO came out with some new masks recently. These are the new Farm to Face collection. I have 2 of these. I've got the Bulgarian Rose and I've got the green tea. I'm going to go for the Bulgarian Rose one today. You get your device and it comes with an attachment ring, so it helps to secure the mask. You just pop it onto the FOREO. It's so much easier to do than a traditional face mask, I cannot tell you. I'm just going to tuck it in a little bit. You take your attachment ring and you pop it back on. It basically helps to secure the mask so it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to go to my app. I'm going to click on that and it's going to open up. Turn on my Bluetooth. You have to connect your device to the app for it to work. So here I've got both my Luna 3 and the UFO. Start my UFO. Here I've already linked up all my masks. So I've got Make My Day, Call It a Night, Bulgarian Rose and the green tea one. I'm going to go to the Bulgarian Rose one. And I'm going to start that. It's asking me to secure the mask.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device by clipping the attachment ring into place with the FOREO logo facing up.
So I've already done that. I'm going to press start and it goes red.
Allow your mind and body to relax as red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this hydrating complex. As T-sonic pulsations promote absorption of the rose essence, green LED helps deliver a healthy, radiant glow.
Let's go into its cryotherapy now.
T-sonic pulsations are reduced to a low frequency and combined with a cooling sensation for a soothing facial massage, while green LED continues to brighten the complexion and even the skin tone. You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Your smart mask treatment is now complete.
I think I'm going to repeat it one more time just so that I can get the most out of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. I've just finished the UFO mask and I love the way that my skin feels so clean, but it feels like moisturized, firm. It feels so relaxed because I've just massaged it. I'm going to let that all soak in before I touch anything. And I think that's it. Yeah, so if you have any comments or questions, let me know down below and I will get back to you. I'll also tag FOREO down below so you can go and check them out. Throughout the year, they do have some really good deals on these kind of masks, so I would keep an eye out for those. I will also share them on my Instagram so that you know, but definitely check this out. I know it's a little pricey, but it's so worth it. It really helps get the most out of your skincare, whether it's using FOREO masks or not. You can use your standard skincare on this. If I wanted to use the Emma Hardy, put it all over my face, and then use the treatments from this mask, I can do that too. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say. I hope you enjoy that, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye!